Hey art friends, today we're going to draw Punch, the monkey. And I hope you're excited to follow along with me. For this lesson we're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have. Oh, also we're using our pencil and eraser to draw the main shapes before we use our markers. All right, let's get started. First, let's use our pencil and we're going to draw the main shapes. First for Punch, let's draw a head or a circle for his head. We're going to draw it this big and a little to the right so that we have room for his little monkey that he's hanging on to or hugging. Then we're going to draw his arms, or let's draw his body first. We're going to draw it coming down and turning into a letter U. Okay, then let's draw the monkey he's holding. We're going to draw a smaller circle for the stuffed animal. And we could draw the monkey's body too. I'm going to draw it coming out to the side, but repeating the same shape, letter U. And we're drawing it coming off to the side because he's hanging onto it and holding it really tight. Let's draw his shoulder right here. It's going to hang onto the monkey or the stuffed animal. So we're going to draw this big sideways letter U coming out from the side. And then on this side, we're going to draw the other hand and arm coming around the other side. So it kind of matches. It's a sideways letter U going the other direction. Okay, now let's draw the stuffed animal's arms sticking out to the side. He's getting squished. And then another one down underneath this arm. Okay, next let's draw the legs. We're going to draw two legs. Two for Punch. I'm going to draw them this big. So we're drawing more letter U's. We're just drawing the main shapes. We don't have to worry about the details. That's the nice part about starting with our pencil. And then the little legs for the stuffed animal, we'll draw them a little longer. There we go. We have all of the general shapes for our monkeys. And now we can switch to our marker. If you want, you could keep using your pencil. You don't have to switch. But I'm going to add the details with this Sharpie. Okay, let's start with Punch's face. We're going to start with the eyes. I'm going to draw it right next to the stuffed animal. We'll draw it right here. I'm going to draw it behind the monkey's head. And then we'll draw another one over here. Okay, now let's make them shiny by drawing a small little circle in the top right of each eye. And then color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. And this is behind this one, so we're just drawing part of this eye. Next, let's draw his nose. I'm going to draw a little letter U. Then we'll draw a line down, and then him smiling, since he has friends now. Next, let's draw the monkey, the stuffed animal monkey, its face. We're going to do the same thing. Let's draw two eyes, draw two circles. And then we can draw the highlights to make them shiny. And then we'll color in the big circles. So if I ever go too fast, remember you can pause the video for extra time. Especially go a little faster when we're repeating steps. So if we've already done the step, we'll go a little faster. There's the nose. And then the line down. And because they're both monkeys, we're just kind of creating the same shapes and same details. Okay, there's our two monkey faces. Now let's draw the outside of each of the face. So over here, let's draw an ear sticking out on the side for our little stuffed animal. But we're not going to draw the ear on the other side since it's tucked behind the head and getting squished. So there's the ear coming out of the head. Then we can draw the top of the head coming around. We'll trace over the pencil line, and then we're going to come underneath. I'm going to draw it all the way. Let's draw it in front of the other hands and arms. Okay, so there's one monkey head. Okay, now let's draw Punch's head. We're going to draw over the pencil line. So we're just tracing over what we've already drawn. And then let's draw the ears. This one is way back here. We're going to draw it behind the little stuffed animal. And then the other one we'll draw over here. Okay, now let's draw the arms hugging our stuffed animal. We're going to draw them coming around. We'll just trace over the pencil line. come over and then there. And then this one we'll draw and stop. Don't draw through the ear because it's going behind. Okay, now we can add little finger lines for our monkey's hand. 1, 2, 3, and then 3 on this one too. Okay, now let's finish our stuffed animal. We're gonna trace over the pencil here, then we'll come down for the leg, and then I'm gonna come out for the foot, and then back up. And then right here, for the bottom of our monkey's body, we'll draw a little line, down, and then the foot, and then back up. Then we can trace over the body and stop at the hand and the arm. And then right here, we'll draw the monkey's arm. And let's draw this one over here too. And see how I changed it? So always feel free to change it if there's anything you want to do different. We can add the little finger or toe lines on our stuffed animal's feet and also the hands. And then now we can draw the rest of Punch's body. Let's draw this one coming down here, and then we can also draw the feet coming out, just like we did for the stuffed animal. And then we can draw the same thing here, the bottom of his body. And then for this foot, I'm gonna draw it going the other way and then back up. And then we can draw toe lines for Punch. And we did it. We finished drawing our little monkeys, except we still need to color it. It looks so much better once we add color and add different colors for the face and the fur. But before we color, we want to switch to our eraser and erase any of the pencil lines we can still see. Now this part will fast forward, so remember you can pause the video at the end and use my drawing as inspiration for yours. We did it, we finished coloring our drawings, and I hope you'll take time to color yours. You can also finish your drawing by adding a background. You could add more monkeys, or even people up here looking down, watching little Punch. Remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than mine. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.